All right, here we go. 15-16 Upper Deck the Cup Team Random Single Box Break number 7. First thing we're going to do is randomize the list of participants. Everybody's on here in the requested spot numbers, starting with Revolution 10, who had spot number 1. All the way down to DPZ 912, spot 30. I'll randomize this list 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. Run through that quickly. Do the teams. All 30 NHL teams are on here in alphabetical order, starting at the Anaheim Ducks. All the way down to the Winnipeg Jets. Randomize this list 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. Run through that quickly. Just going to copy paste those lists into my spreadsheet. I'll read off everybody's team. 1 moment. All right, Coffee Boy's got Nashville, DP, Boston, Leaford, Florida, Revolution 10, Dallas, Leaford, Chicago, Silverman, New Jersey, Jupin, Minnesota, DP, Tampa Bay, Maya, Ottawa, Joggers, Washington, Leaford, Calgary, T Clamp, Edmonton, Maya, Philadelphia, Coffee Boy, Anaheim, DP, Colorado, T Clamp, Arizona, DP, Buffalo, and Winnipeg, Joe Man, LA, Jupin, New York Rangers, DP, New York Islanders, Columbus, San Jose, Revolution 10, Carolina, Coffee Boy, Pittsburgh, J Cross 40, Vancouver, DP, Toronto, JT 800 Detroit, Jake Cross 40 Montreal, and Revolution 10 St. Louis. Put 1 minute up on the board for trades. If anybody would like to trade any other teams, now would be the time to do so. New York Rangers and Minnesota. Did you know who you got? You're just making me say it. And Trilogy just sold out. Joe, you got Ottawa. And Philly. Last call for trades. All right, no trades. Good luck, everybody. See some big hits. What's up, Bill? It's Jupin that got Minnesota. He's pretty psyched. Oh, the Parise puck. Never mind. Missed that. Sent me a replacement for my Blackhawks Larmer signature. Parise puck. What's wrong with Zach Parise? See red. Are you calling me fat again? How did you know I was just eating cake? Base 231 to 249. Going to LA, Anze Kopitar. Rookie patch auto. 248 to 249 for Buffalo, Linus Ullmark. Not money cake. Got a red tag auto, 3 of 4 for Ottawa, Mike Hoffman. Redemption. Brilliance auto. I don't think I've ever seen a redemption for a Brilliance auto. For Chicago, Jonathan Toews. Rookie masterpieces. Going to Columbus, Oscar Dansk. And we'll finish this up. The rookie patch auto. 194, 249. Going to the New York Rangers, Mackenzie Skapski. There we go. Cup box break number 7 in the books. Thank you very much, everybody.